Hey guys, welcome back to Deek-Shas Stories. I'm today's host, Shasvika, and today I'm going to show you how to make a new avatar. You need to go to this plus area and plus it. You can make male or female, that's awesome. So I'm doing female, this facial recognition and manner creation. I don't want my creation to be like me, so I'm using manner creations. So there's a lot of options. I'm going to make a simple looking girl. And this blush, which I really like it looks good. And if you have freckles, you can add it because my creation, I don't want it to have freckles. Next, the hair. I love hair. So, and this Avatoon Pro. If you wanna buy it, please buy it now. If you wanna make your avatar look beautiful, buy it now. And I'm gonna use a very nice bun look. And there's colors. And I forgot to tell you guys that there's blonde to purple hair, to purple to green. I'm using a blonde hair, and there's even blush which I added. There's eyeshadow and eyeliner and eyelashes. First, let's start with the eyes. I'm gonna make it closed so she looks pretty. Next, eyebrows. So I like about this, it makes which hair color you choose, and that color only comes. And you can change the eyebrows shape which you have. So I have this. I'm going to use it. It's eyebrow frizz rings, which I don't want it. So the nose shape. So there's nose shape. There's a lot of nose shapes. I'm using the normal one. And these are lips. I love lips. And these you can change the lips like A-O-E-C-Q-T-C Diosa. And there's a lot. And you can even make her smiling. And there's a lot of options, even normal to highbrow. Poppy blue, actually. I'm going to use a normal, simple shade for this. There's stickers, which I really like. But oh my god, it looks crazy. Yeah. I'm going to even add it. If you want it, I'm not adding it. If you want it, you can do it. These are glasses options, which you can make it. Have these glasses. It's cool glasses, which I don't like it. And be like Steve Avatar. So it tells you to name your avatar. I'm going to make her name Shanika. Well, Shanika would be Steve. Shanika. So I saved my character called Shanika. So give this video a big thumbs up. And let's meet you next week in a new video called to sell clothing ideas for your Avatoon, where Deek-Shas will meet you. Bye guys!
Like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification button.